Welcome to Libertyland. I'm Zach.
I'm Marty.
And I'm Marty.
We got my dad with me here today, and we're doing a gun review. So, of course, drinking the Dr. Pepper today. Don't drink and shoot. Let's get cracking. So today, we have a Walther PPK, but not really. The Hungarian FEG, chambered in 32 ACP, also as the 7.65 mil. Not really well known as far as that caliber goes. If you go into a gun store and ask for that, you won't find it. So, 32 ACP, which is still actually readily available. I was able to buy most of the ammo for it during the pandemic. Sorry for the wind noise. Try and adjust that. So the whole reason why I found this gun was during the pandemic, every single gun store was sold out of just about every kind of ammo. For those of you who were trying to buy during the time, you understand my pain. One thing I was able to find was a lot of 32 ACP. Jumped online, tried to see what in the world I had available to me, near me, that actually chambered in that ammo, and it was the FEG 32. It is a Hungary Budapest model. Somehow it ended up in America. If you guys remember the Zastava, the M57 video that we did, it is a lot like that one. Direct blowback. It does still have the hammer on it. We're gonna go ahead and see how she shoots. Ready?
Wait. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. So it only holds about 8 rounds in the chamber, 9 if you carry the right way. Shoots a little bit high for me, so I will go ahead and say that I'm more of a rifle guy. Handguns are not my forte, but maybe by season 4 or 5, I'll hit a target with a handgun. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do one more, and then I'll let the other guys give it a try. So, let's go. Exactly where I wanted him to go.
You shot a branch off.
I saw that.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Branch never had a chance with you around, Zach.
I was gonna say that.
Now, I'd love to say that Dad's gonna show you how to do it, but since I've never shot this gun before, I can't say that. Seriously.
What's going on? Oh crap!
Technical difficulty.
Being a pain in the ass? Just being a pain in the ass?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right.
So close on that one.
So close. So close.
So the gun itself shoots a little bit high, to the left on just about everything that we were shooting. Not even worth hitting the targets, because if you were watching the dirt cloud, you saw where we hit everything. Not really on the targets. But as the subscriber count goes up, I'm sure I'm going to get a lot more accurate. Let's take it back to the table. All in all, really fun little gun to shoot. You can pick them up typically in America fairly cheap. I know I picked this one up over at, well, what used to be Gander before they sold out, for 150 bucks. Not too bad for something that has one of the most readily available ammunitions that you were able to get during the pandemic. I'm not going to say how much ammo I have because the ATF is probably watching. Not too much kick. I think it has a lot to do with how actually heavy the gun itself is. It is very front heavy compared to everything else. When it's fully loaded, you don't really get any movement at all. What do you guys think about it?
I thought it was a great gun to shoot. I liked it. It's fun.
I like a nice heavy pistol, so I enjoyed it.
Yeah,
you're right. It's got a good weight balance. Not a whole lot of kick. It's a good time.
So if you do get a chance and you come across a FEG 32 ACP, try it out for yourself. As always, stay free.